Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 27th, and we got a whole lot of nothing. We started out with a little bit of a boost, and we ended up finishing flat to weak for the most part. Wasn't anything significant. Nasdaq was a little bit worse. It had a much bigger move, moved all the way back up to the ABN level, only to fade, and that's because it's still suffering from very weak shakeout regions. Just a malaise for the most part. Euro also flatlining. There's no real commitment one way or another. The biggest gain here is the the likelihood, belief that the continued easing is going to have to take place. That there isn't sufficient enough impetus for inflation. That means oil should also continue to suffer. A little bit of a bounce back today, but still uh, very weak, very weak overall. And gold still holding down at the bottom. It still has some time because, again, with no inflationary pressures and no geopolitical scary world scenarios, nothing, nothing to trade there. Here's what we had from the intraday. So we started up with the nice rising. It was beautiful with the reset of the orange. DOC came all the way up, and then we started to see extremely overbought with our shakeout. We were already up at the magenta line here, plus 25, well above the warning line on the shakeout, but still hadn't quite gotten to plus 13.5 on the orange. Very close to it several times. We also had a reset of the steel, though finally got it to dip right about there. Minus 12.55 is as close as it goes. It was right on the precipice, but below the EBM. And once it did pop up before, that was the signal, and that didn't produce a whole lot because at the end of the day, you would end up with attacking this open at 43, and then right here at the close would have been the turnaround down at 36. So I mean, given the ranges that we've seen, it's not bad, but that didn't produce a whole lot of anything because it was a short run up, and then we just ended up with flat to weak shakeout, and things just start to fade from there, and that's pretty much where things are left, and it seems like we've got a little bit more of a range, but a little bit higher. I mean, again, the key was always looking for the magic 2450 and 2.5 point shot. That's always the case, right? And then it threatens you by dropping back down, and you're like, I was so close to my target, then it shoots up to 250. So still have that, but clearly not exactly our ideal chart. So, though we still see rising shakeouts, so we still have to be poised to the long side whenever there's opportunity. So that's generally where things have to remain, and we'll just stay on it and see what ranges we can get out of it until something breaks news-wise or whatever, that there's actually going to be some movement towards either healthcare or some sort of tax relief. You get the healthcare movement to pass, that would just really cause the market to definitely clear the target and then some. So, as always, continue for me on Skype chat. Trade well.